Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you step by step how to directly print your sales order in QuickBooks Online. It's gonna be very easy and simple video. First, you can log into your QuickBooks Online account, and then in the main dashboard, you can go to all apps here to open all of your available apps and go to inventory here, and you will find sales order. You can click on it and then you will find all of your sales order. So in my case, I only have one here. So let's say I want to print this sales order directly from QuickBooks. You can go to far right and you will find action option here. Click the drop down and oops, I think I just misclicked. You can just click the drop down and then click print here. And then this is your sales order. To print it, you can just click this icon, print. And then you can set up the destination, the pages, all of that colors and all of that customization. Then you can just click print. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.